Hello, in this example I would like to show you how to create your own layouts within Artcam 2011 and to save them, also customizing toolbars and saving them within the layouts. So I don't like how it's set out at the moment, so I want to create my own layout. So I'll drag all these toolbars off their docked positions. Just move them all over, and I'll put vector creation down here, vector editing next to it, and relief editing I'll put that at the top. Put this going down the side here, and this particular one I'll have that going down the side for the design tools. The bitmaps, put that at the side there, and also the models, create that as 2 rows, put that below there. Relief creation, put that next to relief editing, and then these I'll put there. So that's my layout now, and I want to keep that for another time, so I'll save layout as, and I'll rename that to layout 1 and save that. Sometimes I like to have my project tree docked on this side, so I'll put that there, and then I'll have my relief creation, have it all here along with the vector editing and relief editing. Create these as single lines, move that along there, and I'll have all my editing along the bottom. Just had to double that one up, and then I'll make these a little bit wider. And that's how I like to have it set up sometimes. So I'll go back to window and save layout as, and I'll save this layout as number 2. Now I'm going to create a customised toolbar and save the layout of that. So if I right click on one of these toolbars and click customise, then if I go to toolbars and create new, and I'll rename this to my toolbar, and then OK that, and here it's created a new toolbar. What I can do is I could just move that into my toolbar, but I would lose it from the relief creation. So if I move it back but press Control, it will copy it. I can also do this by finding commands and then just finding each command wherever it is, and then just selecting it and dragging it into it. I'm going to drag some random things into this just to create my own toolbar. So I'll just drag some different things into this. Go back onto my toolbars, move this out of the way. Right, so that will do, and I'll turn off all of these, and I want my project to be on the right hand side, and then this toolbar to be too wide along the bottom left hand side. So that's my layout for that, and then I can save layout as layout 3. So now I'll show you how to get everything back. So I'll close my toolbar, select customize again, I'll just delete this toolbar, and then if I go to reset layout, I can select standard, that's where I had originally, or I can reset it to advanced, which gives me smaller icons down here and no other icons. This is if you want to right click and draw like that. Or I could reset it to classic, which gives me an older version layout of Artcam. So I'll select load layout, and I'll load our first layout that we created, and this is saved where all the icons are for this. Don't particularly want this one, so I'll load layout number 2. So that's a little tutorial on how to save and load layouts. Thanks for watching, bye.